Hey everyone, this is Vin, and I'm going to teach you how to take this shape and give it rounded corners using only CSS. So I set this up using HTML. As you can see, the CSS styling is very basic. Button's got a background color, and to give it rounded corners, all you need to use is border radius. Give it a radius of 25 pixels. It's like margin. If you put only one number, it's only going to call out to all four corners at the same time. Gives it a nice style. You could use it for basic buttons for navigation or whatever. The thing with border radius is you also need to put in Moz border radius. Give it the same. And WebKit border radius. If I could spell, that'd be good. Border radius. Give it 25 pixels as well. Now what that does, nothing's really going to change. Those are the three that I pretty much use when I'm creating rounded corners, because Moz calls out to Firefox, Mozilla. The earlier versions don't read border radius, they only read the prefix Moz, and then after that. And WebKit calls for Safari, the earlier versions, and earlier versions of Chrome. So in the interest of cross-browser compatibility, whenever you're using a border radius on a div, just throw those three in all together. It makes life easier. So just to show you, I'll take out border radius, resave it, nothing will change. But if I get rid of the Moz border radius, it goes back to the regular div because it doesn't call for WebKit. I'm using Firefox right now. Throw those back in. Now you might be saying to yourself, well, what if I only want these two corners rounded? I want these two straight because I was going to float it to the left and have it for site navigation. Well, alright. Go back to the basic throw in border, then you call out to either top or bottom, and then right or left. So we'll do the top right corner radius, and we'll give that a radius of 15 pixels. I'll get to the Moz and WebKit in a minute. And then we'll do border bottom right radius 15 pixels as well. Load that. There you go. Could even bring that up to the maximum on the border radius is 360, obviously, because that would make it more of a perfect circle. So let's see how that looks. A lot sharper, a lot nice, good distinction. Be perfect for navigation. Now, when you're using the prefix Moz, it's just border, radius, and then one word, top right, 360 pixels, Moz, border radius, bottom right, 360 pixels. And that's going to be the same style for WebKit as well, so just swap that out with WebKit and it's the same thing. These are the only two styles that change. So if we take these out, it should stay exactly the same. There you go. Throw those back in. So pretty much when you're using rounded corners and you're creating them using purely CSS, not a Photoshop file, use Moz, WebKit, and the standard border radius styles just to cover all the cross-browser compatibility. You don't want someone to come onto your website and you only used a regular border radius, didn't add the prefix to them, and all of a sudden your nav bar, which looked very nice having different colors of this rounded bullet looking style, and all of a sudden it's just a box and it kind of messes with your style and looks just bad. So hope this was informative. Hope you learned a lot. Have a great day.